The "we've run into a problem" error is one of the most common issues Apple Music users encounter. This frustrating message can appear when trying to play songs, download music, or even when the app crashes unexpectedly. This error stems from several potential causes. Understanding these root causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. Network connectivity issues are the most frequent culprit, including both Wi-Fi and cellular data problems. Server outages on Apple's end can also prevent music playback entirely. Subscription problems and software bugs, especially after iOS updates, are also major contributors. Additionally, iCloud syncing issues and insufficient storage can trigger these errors. To quickly identify the issue, start with these essential diagnostic steps. First, verify your internet connection is stable and working properly. Check your internet connection first. Try loading other apps or websites to confirm your Wi-Fi or cellular data is functioning properly. Next, check Apple's System Status page or monitoring sites like Down Detector to see if there are any reported outages affecting Apple Music servers. Finally, ensure your Apple Music subscription is active. Check your subscription status in the Music app settings or your Apple ID account settings. These initial diagnostic steps will help you quickly identify whether the problem is on your end or Apple's. Once you've completed these checks, you'll have a clearer picture of what's causing the error and can proceed with targeted troubleshooting. When Apple Music shows the "we've run into a problem" error, start with these basic troubleshooting steps that solve most common issues. Force quit the Apple Music app by accessing your device's multitasking view and swiping up on the app. Then reopen it from your home screen. Next, restart your device completely. This clears temporary files and refreshes system processes that might be causing the error. Always ensure both the Apple Music app and your device's operating system are updated to the latest versions, as updates often include bug fixes. If basic steps don't work, try these intermediate solutions that address account and app-specific issues. Go to Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in with your credentials to refresh your account connection. For Android users, clearing the app's cache can resolve performance issues. Go to Settings, Apps, find Apple Music, and clear the cache. For persistent issues, these advanced fixes address deeper system and network problems that can cause Apple Music errors. In Settings, go to Music, find Sync Library, turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes your music library connection. Reset network settings if connectivity issues persist. This will delete all Wi-Fi passwords but often resolves stubborn connection problems. Some devices require specific troubleshooting approaches. Here are solutions for common device-specific Apple Music issues. Spatial audio can cause high data usage errors. In Settings, go to Music and turn off spatial audio to resolve error code 15527. For Tesla vehicles, try rebooting the car's system or changing the touchscreen language settings if Apple Music won't load properly. For Sonos devices, ensure proper network connectivity and re-authenticate your Apple Music account through the Sonos app if connection issues persist. These troubleshooting steps resolve most Apple Music playback errors. Start with basic solutions and work your way up to advanced fixes as needed.